In the example, we saw how Angular uses the component decorator within the .ts class to join up the various files. Here we see the .css, its physical location, and if we click on it, that we navigate to it. Here we see the HTML file for this component and its physical location, and where we can click on it to navigate to it. And here we see the .ts file for the class component, and if we click on it we can navigate to it. And we see that on the screen now. We see this component.ts and its component decorator. Inside the component decorator we have various properties, and remember this is all in the .ts file. Here we see the template URL which references the .html file that we want to join up with, and here we see the styles URLs and the CSS file is referenced, and this now joins the .css, the .html and the .ts all together so that they can talk and communicate and pass information, reference each other and work together. And this is how it all joins up.